out there, you guys? Marty Schwartz here with GuitarJams.com. Gonna show you a minor pentatonic pattern that's a little more unusual than your typical even groups of numbers. It's like an odd group of numbers. We're gonna do a little sequence of 5 with one of the positions of the pentatonic. So let me show you, what we're gonna do. All right, so I'm in the E minor pentatonic scale, one of our favorites, and I'm using the, we've got our home row pentatonic scale here. And then we've got the next extension up of it, and that's what I'm using. So I'm using this little box right here, which we've got the 17th. Yeah, 17, 15, 17, 15, 16, 14. And then we also have 17, 14. So that's the scale, the little position that we're using. And you can see I'm using alternate picking. And I'm also doing triple-a, triple-a, triple-a. I'm doing the triplets. Alright, so now here's the little thing that I've been practicing, and it might benefit you to practice as well. Give you a new idea. We're going to start on that 17, and we're going to go 5 notes down. Rhythmically, we're doing triple-a, 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 triple-a. But we're going to do an uneven sequence. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going 17, 15, 17, 15, middle finger on 14 of the G. Okay, the next thing, we just went 5 down from here. So then we're going to do 5 down from there next, but all in the triplet feel. So watch. So that's the 2 groups of 5 right there. I'm going to do it real slow for you, but check it out what it sounds like. So we've got so that second sequence, 15, 17, 15, 16, 14. So here's both of them together, real slow. So then we're going to do another group of 5 from 17 on the B string. And I'm going to use my pinky and then middle finger, but you could use your ring and index if you need to. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to just end it nicely with the index on the root on the 14th fret of the D string. So here is the sequence. Well, there's basically like 3 groups. The first group, 17. The next group starts on the 15. And then the next one starts on the 17 of the B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we end it on the root. Because when you play through that sequence in triplets, you add 1 extra note there and you have an even rhythmic sequence. And now you've got a more interesting kind of pentatonic sequence going than groups of 4. Which I like that too, but a nice little group of 5 will really spark some new ideas. triple a triple a triple a triple a triple a duh. Hey, so try that out. You might get some cool licks out of it. You never know. And you can click down there for some free jam tracks that I like to send out. And that's it. Thanks for the support. We'll see you in another lesson real soon.